Hey guys, this is CP from Imaginary Programmer. In this video, we are covering strings. So, what is string? Well, string is an text that you want to be treated as text within a program. So, this is a string, hello world. Because it wrapped in quotation and we hit enter, Python is going to say hello world. And you can also use single quotation here. Let's say hi, and we hit enter, Python is going to say hi. Basically, you have two options, either you use double quotation or single quotation. If you want to have apostrophe in your words, let's say, Tony, don't do that, and we hit enter, Python is going to freak out about that because what things is happening is that we are starting a string here with single quotation and ending a string, and Python doesn't know what to do all about that. Then Python is going to freak out and give you syntax error. So what you need to do in order to print out Tony don't do that is you can just wrap it in double quotation. I just type Tony don't do that in double quotation. As you can see, what outprint is going to be if intact. Now alternatively, let's say you want to couple somebody. Example, Nat said double quotation close and double quotation open, I want this, and we hit enter, Python is going to say Nat said I want this. You can see here two strings are combined together. What if we put comma between two strings and enter? It will be converted into tuples. I know you don't familiar with tuples, but in future videos I will cover tuples. Stay tuned for that. So that's how to handle string. String is just a series of characters which is interpreted as a text. You can print it out or you can manipulate. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or queries, please ask in the comments. Also give this video a big fat thumbs up and please subscribe and share with your friends. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.